Here we go. Here we go. Premium pack break 97. 97, 97. 5 times for the 5 times. Let's get it on. Let's get it on. Once, twice, 3 times. 4 times, 5 times. 141. Okay. Alright, 141. 98. Alright, 141. 141. 34, 36, 37, 40, 41. Here we go. Alright, Justin, Vincent, Dinalo 2, Vince, Tanya, Kevin 2, Justin 2, 5 times. Here we go. Alright, once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. Justin, you're on top. Tanya's on the bottom. Alright, Justin, AFC North. Vin, AFC South. Kevin, AFC East. AFC West. Vin, NFC North. Justin Cecil, NFC South. NFC East. Tanya, NFC West. Alright, any trades here? Let me know. What's it? Mazinda, what are you trying to get into? No premier players? I'll show you after this. What do we do here? AFC West, NFC East. Alright, let's get it on. 10-4. 10-4 over. eBay, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. 141 out of 155. Let's get it on. Well, I don't know what this thing's going for. Josh Allen, that yellow, blue, red Phenom rookie. These things are going for 3 figures, but that was before the season started. He's probably going for about $150, $200 maybe. Josh Allen optic rookie jersey for the Bills, AFC East. Kevin. That was a hot card. That's a rookie Josh Allen jersey card. Very good hit. There's a couple of those in there, I believe. AFC East, Kevin Egan. Very nice. Josh Allen. Josh Allen rookie from Optic. Very nice hit there. Good stuff. 5 times, guys. Top spot, free spot in the bonus break. Here we go. Once, twice. 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. And Kevin. Alright. 97. 97 premium pack. Football. Alright, good stuff. 16 in Volt, Premier Players. 27. Alright, guys. Every night, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Never miss a live break. Please subscribe. Turn on notifications. Thank you.